I don't know about you, but I'd consider this excessive channel EQ. To their credit, the person posting such a photo is genuinely asking for help, and I feel for them. And I've seen two camps with opposing viewpoints comment on such a screenshot. There are some who say, hey, just ignore the graph. If it sounds good, it is good. And I get it. Others will point out that pulling all those EQ bands down that far does little more than drop the overall level of that input without actually fixing the problem they were going for in the first place. Call me curious, but I just had to take the challenge. Let's take a listen.
Modern electroacoustics began in 1915 when E.S. Pridham combined a telephone receiver and a phonograph horn into a loudspeaker capable of covering a large crowd at a Christmas Eve celebration in San Francisco. Modern electroacoustics began in 1915 when E.S. Pridham combined a telephone receiver and a phonograph horn into a loudspeaker capable of covering a large crowd at a Christmas Eve celebration in San Francisco.